Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Cadillac Escalade EXT Luxury. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, moonroof, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.